Hi, I'm Jose with Baird Foundation Repair. Today, I'd like to talk about concrete repair options. If you're faced with a tough decision of what to do with a driveway, sidewalk, or concrete issues in general around your home, you might consider getting it all replaced. I want you to know that there are other options, but many are just band-aid fixes. They don't repair your concrete for the long term, and they don't prevent problems from getting worse or reoccurring. They often fail after being exposed to time and the elements, and the problems come back. Baird Foundation Repair has trained concrete repair experts to install our patented products through a process that doesn't just provide a temporary fix, but a permanent solution. We offer a comprehensive concrete protection system that not only addresses visible issues, but also tackles underlying soil problems. Using PolyLevel, a high-grade polymer foam is injected under sinking concrete to lift level and stabilize it permanently. Additionally, Nexus Pro, Joint Sealant, and Sealant Pro are used to fill joints, cracks, and seal the entire concrete surface. Nexus Pro is silicone blended for long-lasting results, resisting UV rays and temperature changes, while Sealant Pro creates a strong, clear, and permanent barrier by chemically combining with concrete elements. The biggest benefit compared to a Band-Aid fix is that we can save you time and give you peace of mind, knowing your concrete is repaired, cracks are sealed, and it's protected from the elements and backed by a warranty. Our product can be installed in just a couple of hours, and your sidewalk or driveway can be used again in no time. If you've considered a Band-Aid fix for your concrete, give Baird Foundation Repair a call, and we'll send out a trained system design specialist to your property to do a free inspection with no obligations.